In this question, we are given that the price of gasoline at a service station increased from $1.65 per gallon last week to 1.82 gallons this week. So, the price of gasoline last week is $1.65 and the price of gasoline the current week is $1.82. We are given that Sally paid a total of $26.40. So the amount paid is equal to 26.40. We have to find how much more will Sally pay this week at the station for the same amount of gasoline. Now let's move on to step 2 and understand the methodology. So Sally will have to pay an additional or the difference or the increase in amount. Now this will be calculated by the price of the gasoline this week minus the price of the gasoline last week, and we will find the increase in amount to be paid by Sally as number of gallons that Sally bought last week times the difference. Now let's calculate the values in step 3. So first the difference will be equal to 1.82 minus $1.65. This will result in $0.17. Also, the number of gallons of gasoline that Sally purchased last week is equal to the total amount that he paid, which is 26.40, divided by the amount paid for per gallon, which is 1.65. Now, do not calculate the value of this expression here as we have to do further calculations. Then the increase in amount to be paid will be equal to 26.40 by 1.65 times the difference, which is 0.17. Now multiplying the numerator by 100, we get 2640 by 165 times 17, and when we multiply by 100 we also have to divide by 100. So 0 gets cancelled. 11 cancels 165 15 times, and 11 cancels 264 24 times. 3 cancels 15 5 times, and 3 cancels 4 8 times. Therefore we are left, which is equal to 8 times 17 divided by 5 times 10. Now 8 times 17 is 136. We have to divide that by 5 times 10, and 136 divided by 5 is 27.2. However, since there is another 10 in the denominator, we move the decimal point towards the left, and therefore the answer is $2.72. So this week Sally will pay an addition of $2.72 for the same amount of gasoline that he purchases. Hence the correct answer is option D.